Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. Welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you where you can go to create passive income online. And this is one of the ways that you can create a passive income online, whether you create a YouTube channel or on a blog post, or it could be if you have a Facebook page or Instagram that you can use these affiliate links here on the products that you believe is really have high value for your audience or your fans. And so on Digital Store 24 here, they have a lot of different places that you can find good products for you to promote. There's a whole bunch of different type of products here, whether it's your niche is into business or investing, or it could be into email marketing or educations, or it could be into internet marketing and business. And then there's a lot of different programs out there that teaching you how to do YouTube and automations. And look at these here. They giving you 50% on the front end of the promotion, and there are probably on the back end they might have a coaching program or a mentorship of some sort. And definitely you can check this out. It's also telling you the possible earning from these as well, so you can kind of have an idea here that you can see how much from what you can earn. So you can check out the sale page, check out the field support program, check it out to see how much you can earn from these platform here, the programs you can promote. Some of these, it could be to help somebody else get paid creating a simple writing job like this one. And then you can also create like um, like a Pinterest account, or it could be an Instagram account or TikTok or different platform out there, that social media that you can use to help you. So you can also search by search by vendor, or you can sort by earning, sell rank, population, uh, publication, things like that, and earning, sale, things like that. Okay, so if you're into something more like business and investing, they have these here. You can check it out. They have 73 different results here. You can try uh, checking out whether it's academy, more like on the business side. Look at this one. They have almost earning on this one here. So kind of like teaching you things like how to build your wealth. Okay, so that's what you're interested in. And you can also rank by popularity, I think. Conversion, earning, popularity. Okay, there you go. So you can also search like lifetime commissions. Look at this. This is a really awesome way for you to start, um, promoting, whether it's a newsletter this person has here, and then you can do send email to your email list of people interested in creating passive income online. Commission is 90%, things like that. Freedom Accelerator. Yeah, so there's a lot of different things you can find on here. And you can also find trading products, photography, personal development, health and fitness. Where is it? Fitness and health, I guess it's the same. Popularity. Okay. So something like on the front end, this is possibly how much it telling you. It costs $173, and you get uh, and then there's a split commissions here. So you can try it out and check it out to see if this is something that you're interested in promoting. Okay, so affiliate marketing is a very passive and easy way for somebody to get started. Let's just say that you don't feel comfortable creating your own course, you don't feel comfortable creating your own online store, e-commerce, or digital products, and that you have to deal with customer service. If you some to some level, let's just say there's a print on demand, like creating a T-shirt, there's still of some form of customer service when it comes back to you, whether they didn't get the T-shirts or something. Or you can sell ebooks, you can sell courses, sell membership or coaching programs, things like that. So if you're tired of building your own digital product and you want to just kind of like find a great product to promote and just drive traffic to that product by with using your affiliate links, then this is a great way to start. Now, I've shared with you before. There's also I talked about print on demand before, and Printful is a great way to get started with designing, creating a design, and then you can upload onto Etsy to help you. Like let's just say you have a T-shirt design that you want to upload and sell on Etsy, and then you route it out in the fulfillment into Printful. Okay, for example, some of these here. Okay, you just create a design, you put the ads on Etsy, and you can use Printful to do the fulfillment for you, the products out there, and you can definitely make money by creating these beautiful design here. It's just really awesome. It doesn't have to be design. It can be just like text, okay, and a little bit of design. So just kind of like give you an idea. Some of them just doesn't have any words, like this one. It doesn't even have any words. Some of these just mainly have like pictures, okay, wildflower. That's all it is. And look at this. They have a lot of different ways you can use. Yeah, I think this has more Disney stuff. Yeah, you can kind of do something simple. Embroider. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. Yeah, just be creative with what you have. Okay, so it could be all text like this, just a small town girl, or smiley faces. So as you can see, there's so much stuff that you can do. It's just really amazing what you can do with um, your design here. You can do mock-up with t-shirt, can do uh, coffee mugs, you can sell products here, new products. You can do, what is it, shoes, you can do lotion, body lotions. So these are new products, creative design, resources. Yeah, so let's see, platform, branding, men clothing, women clothing. Look at this here. These are the things that you can do. Men clothing, t-shirts. Okay, here. It's listing out here. Men clothing, all t-shirt, long sleeve hoodies, sweatshirt. They have underpants, shorts, swimsuit, things like that. And they have hats, accessories. Sometimes they even have iPhone cover. They have home and living. Yeah, so you can have a collection of these different, your own brand. Okay, so it's really a matter of having a plan and just executing them, having a design. In the beginning, you might struggle to create a good design, but over the long run, you can kind of catch on to see what's really selling on Etsy, and you can kind of like tweak your design around and have a more profitable, just do more, like let's just say you more focus into a certain niche like the woman clothing or a t-shirt, or you're more focused into like handbags, or it could be iPhone. So I hope that this video helps you to get started, because when you're first starting out, it can be scary, and to create your own products, it can be overwhelming to have to take care of the membership or the coaching, or just kind of answering questions from students, or when you create courses or customer, like whether your t-shirts here or not. But I just kind of want to show you those two ways you can get started with affiliate marketing with digital Digistore 24, and then Printful and Etsy. Okay, so the places that you can get started. Um, and let me know what you think about these different ways to make money online. People who want to work at home, want to take care of your family member, whether it is your kids or your aging parents, or somebody sick in the family can't take care of themselves, and you need to be more present at home. These are really great side hustle to add to your 9 to 5 job, side hustle income, so that you can be more flexible, take a little bit more time off to take care of your family members in the meantime. Um, And don't forget to check out the free guide that I have on the descriptions if you're interested. Check out what I have to offer on um, other videos here, whether you're interested into creating more of your own products or you want to outsource your products to a different platform like Fiverr and Upwork, or you want to be more hands-on, create your own courses and membership coaching program. I have some of that here, and I also talk about no-code app builders, things like that, and talk about alternative to real estate investing, which is like digital investing, digital estate, kind of like digital products that you can invest and sell, creating ebooks, creating printable and designs, things like that. You can sell for the long run over and over again. Okay. So let me know what you think, and I would love to hear from you. And until next time, see you in the next video.